Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and if you are new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. My name is Anna Masood and I make educational beauty videos. So today is skincare Sunday. Firstly, sorry for my background. It's like weekend and my son is home, so everything is kind of a mess. But I had to make this video like really quick. So this is why I just thought that I would just put my camera anywhere that I get the space and I will make this video. So I am here with this video. Today we are going to try an exfoliating skin mask. It's Sunday skincare day. Obviously Sunday is a skincare day, so I am going to be posting an exfoliating skin mask today, and every Sunday is going to be like this. Every Sunday is going to be a skin care video, okay? Because the products are really easy. They will be easily available at your home. I'm sure all of you must have them in your cupboards, in the kitchen. So go ahead and get them, and we will start making the mask together and we will apply it together. So without further ado, let's begin with this video then, guys.
Firstly, take 2 tablespoons of instant oats and you are going to grind them really nicely into a fine powder. Remember, they should not be grainy because it's a very gentle exfoliant and you don't need any grains in it. Then after you have grinded it nicely, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Lemon juice has natural acids in it, which is a good exfoliant. Then add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, which has lactic acid, and that is also an exfoliant. Now mix the whole thing together. You would not need any other liquid. This will be nicely formed into a paste. The paste should not be runny or it should not be too hard, but the consistency really should be like a mush for kids. And now we are ready to apply.
So after you've made it, don't go at the state of my hair because I am trying a new curling method. You can see I've just had a scarf in since yesterday, so I'm just gonna open it after it. Anyways, coming back to the mask. So this is the mask. I am going to try it now, apply it now, I mean. So don't leave it too long after you have made it, because otherwise the oatmeal will start to swell up, so it will get very hard. I'm applying it with my hand. You can apply it with a brush or whatever is easy for you. It's so cold. I am dreading applying it because it's so cold right now. Anyways, so let's do it. Oh, because the lemon was from the fridge, the yogurt was from the fridge. Apply it generously. Whatever is left, I'm applying it on my neck as well. I will wash it. If you can't wash your, you can't take a bath after this, you're not going to take a bath after this, just wipe it away with a wet cloth and this will be okay. We are done with the application. I'm looking like a ghost, but it's okay. So if you will leave it, I will leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and then we will rinse it off. So I'm back after 20 minutes, exactly 20 minutes. Feeling a little like stiff at places, like it has dried at a few places. So now I'm going to go ahead and wash it with lukewarm water. Don't like scrub it like crazy. Just go ahead and wash it with lukewarm water. So I'll be right back. Now I'm going to hydrate my face. So I'm just going to take my niacinamide serum. It's really good for your dark spots, and you know, it takes away the hyperpigmentation. Never forget your neck. I use this, the Epiderm lotion, because this has been prescribed to me by the doctor. You can use any lotion that suits your skin. So I'm just gonna take that generously, and I'm just gonna So this is it, guys. Oh my god, this mask is so nice. It has made my face feel so plump and soft. Like my skin feels so nice, hydrated and plumped and all that. Right now even I don't have that much makeup on. I just hid my scars and that's it. And yes, I mean, wow, it's like a fabulous mask. You should definitely try it out, and let me know in the comment box below how it worked for you. It's a very beautiful exfoliating mask, so do try it out. It's very easy to make. All the ingredients are easily available at home, so do give it a try and let me know. And I will see you in the next video, on next skincare video next Sunday, because every Sunday is going to be a skincare Sunday from now on. So I will see you in the next video very, very soon, guys. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay happy, and stay connected. Bye bye. Love you.